What if I told you the next AI battle won't happen inside ChatGPT? It could happen inside your WhatsApp. And it isn't just about artificial intelligence, it's about who controls the world's largest messaging platform and who gets to build the future of business conversations. Starting October 1st, Meta-owned WhatsApp is introducing a new AI pricing model that could make businesses pay almost twice as much if they choose ChatGPT, Claude, Mistral, Qwen, Kimi, or other third-party AI models instead of Meta AI. So is this smart business or the beginning of a much bigger competition debate? Hi, this is Indranil and welcome to the Spotlight Media and Technology. Let's decode what this means from an ESG, technology and governance perspective. WhatsApp today is far more than a messaging app. It has over 3 billion monthly active users globally, and WhatsApp Business has become a critical communication channel for millions of companies from startup to multinational enterprises. Until now, businesses could integrate different AI models into WhatsApp conversations without platform-level AI usage charges. But beginning October 1st, Meta is introducing pricing for AI-powered conversations. And here's where the market is paying attention. According to WhatsApp's updated developer documentation, businesses using Meta AI could spend roughly $400 to $500 for every 10,000 complex AI conversations. But businesses choosing rival models like ChatGPT or Claude could see cost rise to nearly $968 for the same scale of interactions depending on token usage. That's almost double. The difference isn't just accounting, it changes how companies choose AI. Several enterprise software founders say this fundamentally changes the economics of AI on WhatsApp. Companies that built customer support systems using OpenAI, Anthropic, Mistral, Qwen, or other frontier models now face significantly higher operating cost. For startups, every additional dollar matters. Some industry leaders argue that businesses may eventually rethink whether WhatsApp should remain their primary AI channel. Large enterprises, however, may not switch overnight. Their decisions depend on much more than pricing. Reliability, security, compliance, integration with existing enterprise systems, customer experience. In other words, the cheapest AI isn't always the best AI, but pricing can strongly influence smaller businesses with limited budgets. This is where governance becomes the real story. Competition lawyers believe India's regulators could eventually examine whether this pricing creates an unfair advantage for Meta's own AI ecosystem. Under India's Competition Act, regulators typically assess three important questions. Is the company dominant in the relevant market? Is it leveraging that dominance into another market? And does the pricing reduce competition of consumer choice? Interestingly, Europe has already been examining similar concerns around Meta's AI ecosystem. Meta, however, strongly disagrees. The company says businesses are simply being offered another competitive option. According to Meta, WhatsApp Business was designed primarily for business communication, not as a free hosting platform for external AI providers. Meta also argues that the AI market remains highly competitive because users can always download competing AI applications directly. Meta isn't only changing prices, it's investing billions into AI infrastructure. The company has built confidentially computing systems powered by advanced AMD processors and NVIDIA's H100 GPUs to support secure AI processing inside WhatsApp. It has also introduced private processing technologies and disappearing AI conversations for users who want greater control over their personal information. These investments reduce computing cost and improve performance for Meta's own AI ecosystem. From a business perspective, building infrastructure and optimizing it internally naturally creates cost advantages. The question regulators may ask is whether those efficiencies are being shared fairly or whether they unintentionally discourage competition. At the Spotlight Media and Technology, we believe the story is bigger than WhatsApp. It's about the future governance of AI platforms. From an ESG perspective, innovation is essential. Companies that invest billions into AI deserve opportunities to commercialize those investments. But equally important is maintaining open digital markets where businesses can choose the AI models that best serve their customers, not simply the ones that are cheapest because of platform economics. The future of AI won't be decided only by who builds the smartest models. It will also be shaped by pricing, transparency, interoperability, competition policy, and digital governance. Because in the AI economy, the platform increasingly becomes the marketplace, and whoever shapes the marketplace may ultimately shape the future of artificial intelligence itself. If you are navigating AI, governance, digital strategy, or ESG transformation at your organization, we help companies with ESG strategy and communication. Link in the description. Thank you very much for watching and signing it off.